Welcome. In this video, we're going to show you how to make your Dropbox files available offline using the latest version of the app. Whether you're traveling, working in a low-signal area, or just want instant access without internet, this quick guide will help you keep your important files right at your fingertips. Let's get started. First, open the Dropbox app on your mobile device and sign in with your account details. If you don't have the app yet, make sure to install it from your device's App Store. Once you're logged in, you'll see all your files and folders synced from your Dropbox cloud storage. Next, browse through your folders to find the specific file you want to use offline. This could be a document, photo, PDF, or even a video file. Take your time to locate it so you're sure you're making the right one available when you're on the go. Now, look to the right of the file name. You'll notice 3 small dots. This is the More Options icon. Tap on those 3 dots to open the File Options menu. From the list of options that appears, select Make Available Offline. The app will automatically start downloading the file to your device for offline use. You might see a small icon, such as a down arrow or check mark, confirming that the file is now saved locally. Once it's downloaded, you'll be able to open and view it anytime, even with no internet connection. Your offline files will stay saved until you choose to remove them. To do that, simply open the same options menu again and tap Remove from Offline. Dropbox will then free up the local space, but your file will remain safely stored in the cloud. And that's it. You've just learned how to make Dropbox files available offline. It's a simple feature, but incredibly useful for staying productive anywhere. Stay tuned for more quick and updated tech tips to help you get the most out of your apps and devices.